This video lesson is about what we call the X game. All right. So here is a diagram of the X game. Okay. And what it says is write two numbers that multiply to the value on top and add to the value on bottom. Okay. Now the reason for this is a strategy that we use to help us with factoring, which we're going to be getting to. So I want you to learn this little strategy we call the X game. Again, you're looking for two numbers to put in these two boxes that when you multiply them, you get 42. And when you add them, you get 13. So think about the factors of 42 that add up to 13. If we were to consider the factors of 42, let's see, I'll just do that right here. We could do 1 times 42. We could do 2 times 21. 3 times 14. And 6 times 7. So you're looking at which one of these two numbers could you multiply together to get 42 that also add up to 13. So which one of these could add up to 13? Obviously, these do not add up to 13 in any way, but 6 plus 7 would be 13. So the two numbers that we're looking for are 6 and 7. And that's the X game.